Hi guys, it's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario. I really wanted to share with you some exciting news, and again it's another listing that we have here. So Rudy and I have a listing that's coming this week on the market. It's a 4,700 square feet at Mississauga Road and Queen Street, a really good neighborhood to be in. 4,700 square feet, we've got 3-car garage. We're doing an open house this weekend. The property is just 1 year old. We're doing an open house this weekend between 2 to 4 p.m. this Sunday, March the 24th. So we wanted to extend an invitation to you. If you know anyone that's looking to buy or possibly looking to sell a home and would wanted to see the kind of work that we're doing, or if they want to be able to buy in this neighborhood, we'd love to see them on Sunday. So come on out. The weather is going to be great and you'll get an opportunity to say hello to us again. I know some of our open house goers usually come by to see us at our listing, and we do appreciate that a whole lot. Come out this Sunday, March 24th at between 2 to 4:30 p.m. We're going to be at the property and I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing with you. I'd have some pictures right here in this post so you can take a preview of it before it comes on MLS. If you did have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a call, 416-894-2513. Again, it's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario. Talk to you soon again, and please come out to our open house this weekend. Bye-bye.